everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be quickly learning on how we're going to add custom fonts on any Shopify theme. So to start things off, what you are going to be doing is, first of all, you're going to be adding files into your metadata. So you're going to go into content. Once you go into content, you're going to go into files. Once you go into files, you're going to click on upload files. Once you click on upload files, you're going to choose any WOOF files that you have or any TXT files that you have, which is basically a font file. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to take your fonts, and once you take your fonts, you're going to basically upload that. So this is my font zip. Okay, it's the Gandhara font. So basically just add this. Obviously, you're going to make sure that you have a higher plan and you're not on the trial plan. But yeah, you're going to add the zip file for your font. And once you add your zip file, you're going to basically, it's going to give you this link section over here, right? So you're going to click on copy link. Now, once you click on copy link, you're going to go to online store. After it's uploaded, copy link, go to online store. Once you go to online store, click on these three buttons, click on edit code. And once you click on edit code, it's going to bring you here. Now from here, you're going to go into theme liquid on the left-hand side. And once you go there, you're going to find the section where it's going to say style, which is right here. So where it's a style, again, or as I stated, you're going to come to this section. And once you come to this section here, you're going to be pasting a few things, okay? So you're going to write at font-face, font family. You're going to give them the font name, whatever the font name is. And over there, whatever your link is that I made you copy, you're going to basically paste it over here. So it's going to give them the Shopify link. Obviously, the format needs to be WOFF. You're going to need to enter your font name. And obviously make sure that you have a base CSS file as well. So we're going to add this. I'm going to click on save. Once you do that, you're going to make sure that you have a base CSS file in your assets. So here are your assets in your base CSS file. Obviously, as we scroll down, you're going to find your font families. So it should be around line 600 or something. So I'm going to come here. And this is where you are supposed to find your font family, okay? So keep scrolling down until you find the right section. And once you find it, basically you're gonna go ahead and enter the font names, the font WOF format, and yeah, that's pretty much about it. So that's how you can add custom fonts in Shopify with any theme. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.